Hi, I'm Rosie and I'm one of the S6s this year, and I am the subject ambassador for geography. Geography is a really diverse subject that offers a wide range of knowledge. So in National 5 you'll look at physical environment, which includes the weather, limestone landscapes and river landscapes. You'll look at the human environment, where you'll learn about population and the urban and rural areas. And then thirdly, you'll look at global issues, which talks about the climate change and health issues around the world. In higher, you'll focus on the same three topics, but you'll look at slightly different sectors. So for the physical environment topic, you look at the atmosphere, which is the air and the ocean and how that affects the climate around the world. You'll look at the hydrosphere, which is the rivers and why they flood. You look at the lithosphere, which is the shape of land and what creates the landscapes. And in the biosphere, you look at different types of soil. For the human environment topic in higher, you'll learn about population and urban and rural areas, so it's similar to Nat 5. And in the global issues topic, you'll look at development and health and global climate change, so again it's similar to Nat 5. So for me, I really enjoyed the population sector because we looked at how different countries are affected, and it talks about immigration and the pros and cons that come of it. I also enjoyed learning about the health around the world because we found out about the causes and the impacts and the solutions. So the teaching for geography does vary quite a lot because it is such a wide subject and it's got quite a lot of topics and sectors to look at. And whereas a lot of it is note taking, you do get the chance to look at maps and so on. And for example, in our biosphere topic, we were to make mini soil types out of chocolate and sweets in little jars. So the teaching does switch up quite a lot and you do get a chance to do something a bit more practical. But both Mr. Gruba and Mr. Chalmers are always happy to help, and they're always there if you've got any questions. And I've found that they are easygoing, but they do always ensure that you do have the work done to a good standard for the right time. So geography actually helps in a number of careers that you wouldn't really expect. So for those interested in agriculture, for example, knowing the soil types definitely helps with that. Travel and tourism, it's definitely useful to know about the air circulation and the ocean currents because that's what affects the climate. And planning and architecture, it's useful to know about the urban and the rural areas. So it's definitely, you do get a lot from geography, and it's definitely useful if you are wanting to widen your knowledge, and it's something you can use throughout your life. But yeah, if you've got any questions, you can message me and I'll try help as much as I can.